Hi there, students. Parlous, an adjective. You could have parlously, an adverb, and even a noun, parlousness. Okay, if parlous, if something is in a parlous state, it's in a dangerous, uncertain state, a perilous state. So the parlous state of our economy is something that we should worry about. The situation is parlously dangerous. It's a bad, dangerous situation. It's not good. It's full of danger and uncertainty. It's precarious. The parlous peace between the two warring factions is very likely to break down. Okay, so parlous, it's full of danger, particularly something in a parlous state, yeah, in a dangerous state, in a rather unhappy state. I think there's an archaic word of this meaning clever or cunning, but I wouldn't use that today. Okay, so it's the situation is parlous. Yeah, maybe the state of the word parlous is parlous because it's not used very commonly and it's in danger of becoming extinct or becoming archaic. Yeah, we are in parlous economic times. Dangerous state, a dangerous situation, risky, yeah, and not safe, unstable. Yeah, the ship sailed through parlous waters that were fraught with danger. It is a parlous journey through the jungle. Okay, so something dangerous. The patient is in a parlous situation after the accident that they had. Okay, so risky, dangerous, full of peril, unsafe. Yeah. Yes, for example, often firemen find themselves in parlous situations. Yeah. Being a lifeboat man going out to sea in a storm to rescue people is a very parlous profession. Okay, extremely dangerous. Okay, so let's see. Formality. This is an old-fashioned and literary word. You could still use it. I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. I think many native speakers would not understand it, maybe from the context. So semi-formal writing and above. And then as to origin, well, it comes really from the word perilous. Yeah, meaning dangerous, yeah, in danger. And that itself comes through French from Latin periculosus, meaning dangerous or hazardous, periculum, danger or a hazard. Yeah, from the Proto-Indo-European per, to dare or to risk or to try. Yeah. Okay, so parlous, a dangerous situation. Yeah, the parlous finances of this project mean that it could stop at any moment. Yeah, the financing is very parlous, and we need to find a new source of money. The parlous state of our environment. Yeah, I think. Global warming is becoming more and more parlous for the survival of human beings. Okay, so parlous, the parlousness of the situation is terrible. Yeah, it's parlously dangerous as an adverb as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Parlous, Parlously, Parlousness.